What's up guys, it's Feature Friday and we have here Jennifer Lynn. How are you?
Good, how are you?
So yeah, she stopped by. She brought us some cupcakes, right?
Yes.
From Cupcake Affair by Jennifer Lynn. Tell us about these right here, these ones we're looking at right now.
These two are matcha strawberry. It's made with a creamy matcha cake with matcha powder, cream cheese buttercream, and fresh strawberries on top. And then this is one of my favorite original creations. It's the banana cream pie. It's a moist vanilla cake filled with banana cream pie pudding. And then it has vanilla buttercream with pie crust on top and the banana chip.
Wow, looks very delicious. Can't wait to try it. And what's your Instagram? Let us know your Instagram.
Cupcake Affair here. SB because it started in my hometown, Santa Barbara.
Big shout out to Jennifer Lynn, Cupcake Affair. Make sure you guys follow them on Instagram and hit her up if you'd like some more cupcakes and other pastries that she makes, right? You probably make some other types of pastries and stuff.
Cakes, Oreo pops, chocolate drizzle, pretzels, and Rice Krispie treat pops. And then coming soon, brownie pops and cheesecake truffles.
Nice, nice. And the other one right here is the same order.
The other one is banana cream pie.
A banana cream pie. Here,
Sorry, some of them melted, but they still taste delicious. So, yeah.
Check that out, guys. So if you guys are looking to get some pastries, hit up Cupcake Affair. Let them know that Firm 400 sent you, and they'll take care of you guys. Pretty good. Thank you, Cupcake Affair. Make sure you guys follow them on Instagram and hit them up. Let them know that Firm 400 sent you. Thank you again, Jennifer. Appreciate it.